What is third-party application maintenance? Third-party application maintenance, commonly referred to as web maintenance, involves outsourcing the maintenance and support of your web applications, websites, and e-commerce platforms to a qualified external service provider. There are several types of maintenance for third-party applications, including corrective maintenance. This involves fixing bugs and issues that arise in the application after it has been deployed. Adaptive maintenance. It involves making changes to the application to keep it compatible with changes in the environment, such as operating system updates or changes in hardware. Preventive maintenance. The objective of preventive maintenance is to anticipate and prevent future issues within the application. This involves identifying and fixing potential problems before they occur. By opting to include TMA in its operations, your company will maintain control over its IT expenses, increase productivity levels, ensure service quality, acquire specialized expertise. Overall, outsourcing third-party application maintenance services can help companies save time, reduce costs, and improve the overall performance and reliability of their applications. Esokia can provide comprehensive third-party application maintenance services to help you keep your application running smoothly and efficiently. Contact our expert for a free quote.
Esokia, Innovative Digital Agency.